Hey guys! So in the last video we saw how to print stuff to the screen, but obviously you'd want to do more things than just to print things on the screen. So in this video we're going to see some operators which will help us to do math using Python. So you can use Python as a calculator basically. Interesting, isn't it? So let's take a look at the basic arithmetic operators. First is the addition operator, which adds two numbers together. Well, even more than two numbers. The subtraction subtracts numbers. Multiplication multiplies numbers, and division divides numbers. Duh, I mean, that was quite easy. Now, the next three operators, maybe you won't know about them because these four are well known to everyone. We have the exponents operator, which helps us to give an answer where you raise a number to another number. For example, if I want to see the square of 6, so that would be 36, but then how would we write it in Python? Well, the correct way to write it is 6 star star or asterisk asterisk 2. That would give us 6 to the raised to the power 2. So that's our exponents operator. Next, we have our floor division operator, which gives us the integer as a whole number, which gives us the answer as a whole number. Like, for example, if we do 5 floor division 2, that should give us 2. On the other hand, if we divide 5 by 2, the answer would be 2.5. But when we do floor division, it would give us 2. And basically, it scrapes off whatever is after the decimal point, and it just gives us the whole number, in this case, 2. And the seventh operator is our modulo operator, or the mod, which gives us the remainder. For example, 10 mod 2 would give us 0 because 10 gets divided by 2 5 times. Or 10 divided by 2 is 5. But if we do division of something which has a remainder, for example, 5 divided by 2, that would give us 1. So we've seen what the basic arithmetic operators are. So let's jump into our Jupyter notebooks and see what it actually looks like. So the basic 4 operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if I wanted to do 10 plus 5, that should give us 15, which it does. And then 10 minus 5, which gives us 5. 10 divided by 5, which should give us 2. And 10 multiplied by 5 should give us 50. That was kind of intuitive because those operators are quite well known. Now let's try out our modulo operator. So 10 mod 2. The mod operator, as you can see, is just a percentage sign. This should give us 0, which it does. So let's try something with a remainder. 10 mod 3, for example. Let's see what that gives us. That should give us 1 because 3 times 3 is 9, and then 10 minus 9 is 1. So it gives out the remainder. Now floor division. So 10 floor division 3. So what it would usually give is 3 point something. In this case, it just gave us 3. So it scraped off whatever was the part after the decimal part. So for example, if we want to do 7 raised to the power 9, that would give a really big answer, as it does. So now that we've seen our arithmetic operators, let's see something new, something called as comparison operators. So in comparison operators, 2 or more things get compared and a Boolean value is returned. Unlike the arithmetic operators, comparison operators return a Boolean value. So our first operator is our equal to operator. As you can see, we have 2 equal to signs, and it gives us either true or false, comparing both the values on either side of the 2 equal to signs. We have a not equal to operator, which is just an exclamation mark and an equal to sign, which returns true if both the values on either sides of the not equal to sign are not equal. The greater than sign, greater than or equal to sign, less than, and less than or equal to sign. So we're back in our Jupyter notebook, and let's see the comparison operators in action. So I'm going to say 10 equal to 10. So that should return true because both the values are equal, which it does. Let's try 10 not equal to 10. That should return false because both values are equal, which it does. And then 10 greater than 10, that should return false because they're equal. Okay, let's take numbers other than 10, like 7 greater than or equal to 9, which should return false. 9 less than 0, false again. 9 less than or equal to 10, that should return true, which it does. In this video, we saw the basic operators, arithmetic operators, and our comparison operators. Do try them out on your own, and do let me know if there are any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.